Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAItraining.com, and in this video, I'll guide you on how to grow your career and become an AI specialized global head of operations. We'll explore the essential skills, qualifications, and steps you need to take to excel in this high demand role. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career, this video will provide you with valuable insights and actionable tips to help you achieve your goals. Let's get started. By becoming an AI specialized global head of operations, you can future proof your skills, ensuring you stay relevant in an ever evolving job market. You'll also open the door to more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals with AI expertise. Additionally, those with AI skills often command higher salaries thanks to their enhanced efficiency and productivity. Embracing AI as your assistant can streamline operations, making you an invaluable asset to any organization. Plus, you'll be at the forefront of technological innovation, driving impactful changes in your industry. At CompleteAItraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI-specialized global head of operations. With the rapid pace of AI developments, staying updated is crucial. That's why we ensure you have access to the latest advancements and insights relevant to your role. Our curriculum is continuously updated to reflect the newest trends and technologies, empowering you to lead with confidence and expertise in the dynamic field of AI. Our AI video training programs are tailored specifically for aspiring AI-specialized global heads of operations. Dive into the latest prompt courses, explore custom GPTs designed for operational excellence, and utilize organized AI tools to streamline your workflow. At Complete AI Training, we provide the resources and certification you need to excel in your role. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAItraining.com and search for Global Heads of Operations. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert global head of operations. You can start a 3-day trial today.